Welcome to another episode of Micro Sessions. This is the DS-PWA32-KGT, a Hikvision wireless control panel that allows you to configure up to 32 wireless zones. It supports 2 video channels to monitor in real time any registered event. You can get remote notifications via text messages on any mobile network. It's a very easy to install kit. It supports reading cards for access control. It counts on the support of iOS and Android app for remote monitoring. This is all for now. Don't forget to like this video, make any comment and activate the notifications. Remember that we are Hikvision's authorized distributors for USA and Latin America. Thank you for watching.